So how do we become like Jesus? How do we learn to have the character of Christ? That kind of person who loves even the most difficult people, who goes the generous extra mile, who experiences peace in life no matter what. Can I become that person? That's what Renovation of the Heart, Dallas Willard's book, is all about. It explains the change, and then it challenges us to think differently and to act differently. So I am really glad for this 20th anniversary of Renovation of the Heart, and I am eager for people to put into practice what they read there. That's in fact why I came out with the book Renovation of the Heart in Daily Practice. It's half Dallas and half me. And what I do is I try to explain some of those lofty ideas into bite-sized pieces, sort of street level, and then offering ideas of what they would look like in life and how to practice them. So please stay encouraged. God really can change us.